Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Instagram notifications to stay consistent with your work plan. Full guide step by step clearly. Open Instagram on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Locate your profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on it. Next, select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Choose Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see various notification options available. Select Push Notifications to view all the notification categories. You will find options for posts, stories, and comments among others. To disable all notifications, toggle the switch at the top of the page to off. If you prefer to customize notifications, review each category. Tap on each category to see specific options. You can choose to turn off notifications for posts, comments, or likes individually. After making your selections, return to the previous screen. If you want to turn off notifications temporarily, use the Pause All feature. This option allows you to mute notifications for a set period. Select the duration that works best for you. Once you've adjusted your settings, exit the menu. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, check your work plan to ensure you remain focused. Feel free to revisit the notifications settings at any time. Disabling Instagram notifications will help you stay on track with your work. Remember to communicate your unavailability to colleagues if necessary. By managing notifications, you can boost your productivity effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.